Assalamualaikum. Hi guys, today I'll show you how to find the Wi-Fi password from your mobile phone. Like if your mobile phone is already connected to any Wi-Fi network and if you want to know the password, how can you find it? Stick around, I'll show you how. First we will open the Play Store. Then we will search QR code scanner. After you search QR code scanner, you have to open the app, this QR and barcode scanner from Gamma Play. This is the best app which I have found so far, but you can try another app also, it will also work. So I am clicking here and it is already installed in my mobile, so it's showing open. If you are doing it for the first time, it will show install. So you just install it. Then we'll back to our home page. Then we'll pull down the notification and click on the Wi-Fi symbol, and this setting will open. Now you have a wheel type icon here, so just click that icon, and then we have two options on the bottom, QR code and forget. So we'll click on QR code. If you have a new mobile, like you have bought it a year or 2 years or maybe 3 years back, then you will get this option. Otherwise, in a very old mobiles, these options are not present, so you cannot find the Wi-Fi password there. But hopefully most of us are using the new mobile phone, so you can use this option. So then we will click on this share option. We have two options here, save as image and share. So I'll click on this share, and after I click on this share, I have to locate the QR and barcode scanner app which I have already installed. So you can see here it's written, and I will click here, and boom, you see the Wi-Fi and network name and the password is appeared here. So this is how easily you can find the password of the Wi-Fi through your mobile. I hope this video is really helpful for you. If it is, give it a like, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to share with your friend, family, and hit the bell icon as I upload informative videos.